What's up guys, Chris here. So we've actually been in the middle of having probably like at least 10 days of 90 degrees and over, with the real feel outside being in the hundreds. So this creek level is down super far, and today I'm just gonna rotate baits and see if I can pull anything out of here. Fishing has been extremely tough, so whatever I can get, I'll take. Alright, so my first cast I was immediately, hit. Still getting hit all the way. Oh yeah, they're just pulling the tail. Small fish in here. So if I don't get anything in this spot, I'm probably gonna have to look for some deeper pools. Where I'm casting is normally a lot deeper. Oh, there we go, fish on. What do we got? Little shiner. Haven't caught one of these in a bit. Alright, so first fish of the day, little shiner. Got him on this little gulp minnow. Just get him back in the water. Oh, there we go. Another fish on. What do we got? Alright, just got fish number 2. Super tiny green sunfish. There we go. Alright, just got the third fish. Super tiny bluegill. Alright, just got an extra size green sunfish. Look at the color on this guy's fins, man. Beautiful. Number 2. There we go, finally, fish on. And alright guys, so I just got another green sunfish. I'm super surprised I haven't got a red breast yet. Let's get this guy back in the water. I'm probably going to end up spending probably about another 5 to 10 more minutes in this pool and keep moving on. Try to cast it under that tree right there, see if there's anything hiding. Oh! Set the hook too hard. And shoot, another green sunfish. Gotta get some more species on the board. Alright guys, so the day is going better than expected, but I would like to catch something else other than green sunfish and maybe a little bit larger fish. I am just happy to be catching fish. Like I said earlier, it's just been super hot out here lately, and the fishing has been incredibly tough, so just having a nice day like this out with the fish biting is definitely nice. So I have one more Berkeley Gulp Alive minnow left. After that, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to throw, but since I just snapped off, I think it's time to move from this pool and find another one. Better position to cast over here. There we go, fish on. Oh no. You gotta be kidding me. Another green sunfish. There we go, another one. Oh, finally something else. Alright, finally got something else. Got a bluegill. There we go. Oh wow. Alright guys, so finally after catching all those tiny little green sunfish, finally got a decent one. Alright guys, so I think the fish over here, I'm pretty aware that I'm here now, so I'm going to keep looking for another pool. But today's going really well. Oh wow. Alright, so I was about to leave this spot and gave it one more cast and just got another decent sized green sunfish, man. I'm surprised at how big this fish is compared to this little, how deep this little spot is. Let's get him back in the water and keep walking. There we go. Finally, maybe a warmouth or a hybrid. Alright guys, so just caught another sunfish. I'm not sure if this is a warmouth, a green sunfish, a bluegill mix, or just some other hybrid, but it's a beautiful looking fish. Let's get him back in the water. Alright guys, so this is actually going to be my last spot for the day. I haven't gone completely down this creek, but I've explored more than I have in the past. I just broke up my last Gulp Alive minnow, so I put on a little frisky frog. Let's give it a shot here and call it a day. Oh, that was a good cast. There we go. Oh man, well, that hook set was a little too hard, but I didn't want, I saw him come up and pick this up. Didn't want him to spit it out. Yes. All right, just got my first bass out of here, man. Saw him come up and take the frog, so I did a little hook set. Accidentally set the hook way too hard, but just let him go. Oh, fish on. All right, best size bluegill of the day. All right guys, well today turned out to be a great day of fishing. I want to come back here and do a part 2 and keep exploring. I'm actually pretty excited. I've never been down this far and it looks like it keeps going for a ways more. So hopefully we can follow it down and see if we can get into some different fish species and see what all lives in here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Subscribe if you haven't. Tight lines. Take care. Oh, fish on. Ooh. I was walking out here, just had to give it one more cast. Got this last bass.